Live in 3D, your Viper radar forecast in high definition. Here's Blaine Stewart.
7:43 on your Sunday morning. One word, nasty. That is the forecast for Hampton Roads. We start with a winter storm watch in effect for parts of the News Channel 3 viewing area. This stretches from the eastern shore, places like Exmoor and Cape Charles, all the way through the Middle Peninsula and Gloucester, then down through Williamsburg, Newport News, and even interior sections of the south side, Waverly, Franklin, and near Ahoskie. This means winter weather, snow, is in the forecast for the next 24 hours. You can see on our live Viper clouds and radar together, clouds for Hampton Roads right now, but the rain, the storm starting to march from south to north and even places right around Greenville now getting in on some light to moderate rainfall at times. Now this is all rain out there. As we can see, it stretches all the way down through Atlanta, Birmingham, into Mississippi, and all of this is making a beeline for Hampton Roads as this storm system gets its act together. Now, the first blast of wetness or wet weather will be in the form of rain. It's just too warm out there. 37 for Norfolk, 44 at Cape Hatteras, 41 down in Wilmington. So this starts as rain, but overnight does transition into snow. And here's a look at our snow potential with this storm system. Inland areas, those places in the watch, like Surrey, Isle of Wight, the peninsula's eastern shore, we're looking at anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of snow through tomorrow night. My guess is probably closer to 2 inches. Metro area, we're talking Virginia Beach, Norfolk, Chesapeake, 1 to 2 inches, again, probably closer to 1 the way it looks right now. And along the coast, the ocean front and the Outer Banks, pretty much a trace to maybe an inch if we get a blast of snowfall right there in the overnight hours when it could be the heaviest. Now, live VIPIRCAST is going to pinpoint this for us hour by hour. We start at 8 o'clock this morning where the clouds are covering all of Hampton Roads, but nothing wet yet. Then by lunchtime, here it comes from the south to the north, light and moderate rain, especially around Chesapeake, Elizabeth City, spreading all across the area by this afternoon and this evening. 8 o'clock, still rainy, and it is rain at this point over all of Hampton Roads. You have to go north and west of Richmond. You see that purple band there. That's the first sign of that changeover from rain to snow late tonight into the early morning hours, 1 o'clock tomorrow morning. That is when that change happens for us. The purple, that mix around the peninsulas and the interior sections. Just to the north, the blue, it's all snow. And then by tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock, you wake up with Patrick Rocky. He'll be updating the forecast for you. You see most of us covered in blue, snow showers over all of Hampton Roads, with the exception of places right along the Outer Banks, still in that purple, that mix of rain and snow. But throughout the day tomorrow, it all transitions to snow showers for us by 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Lots of clouds and those flurries here and there by lunchtime. Quickly gets out of here by Monday night, except for areas right along the coast. Now, this is early Tuesday morning. That storm system is moving to our north at that point, bringing winds off the Chesapeake Bay and giving us what's called bay effect snow flurries, mainly right along the coast, Ocean View down through the ocean front, and then along Sandbridge and down to the Outer Banks. So it breaks down like this. This afternoon, it's all rain, it's all nasty. We'll get up to about 40. That's as good as we'll get for the afternoon. Tonight around midnight, that's when most of us, with a couple of claps of lightning and thunder there, most of us transition to a rain-snow mix by late tonight. 32, so we're right around the freezing mark. The temperature will decide what you'll see, showers or snow showers out there. And then for tomorrow, all of us will see the snow barely above freezing, if only for a second. Most of us right around that 32-degree mark. You see, it's going to be snowing out there tomorrow, and quite blustery too, with winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour. Tomorrow's a day to stay inside if you can. Now, your live Viper planning forecast shows we know, all right, Sunday and Monday, pretty much not nice. But then a slow warm-up throughout the rest of the week, up to the lower and middle 60s by the end of the forecast period, with some peaks of sunshine even by Tuesday and Wednesday. But, of course, the big forecast focus is for today and tomorrow, and that changeover early tomorrow morning from rain to snow. Keep it here on News Channel 3 with updates tonight at 6:30 and 11. And, of course, tomorrow morning beginning at 5 o'clock, Patrick will have that updated snow forecast and let us know the latest on any school delays or closings. Dominique?
All right.